So let's start with identity overview. Identity, as I've earlier on mentioned, has a major role to play when it comes to who you are. Your appearance, your dispositions, your demeanors, they all have a major role to play when it comes to your identity, that is your personal identity. An identity is simply an unadulterated representation of who you are as a person. That is the dictionary definition of who you are as individuality. And when it comes to identity, the personal identity or perhaps success identity, as those words could actually be used interchangeably, they are the bedrock for any sort of success in life. And that's why it could be referred to that your self-identity is directly proportional to your success identity. In as much as success self-identity isn't subjected to randomness, by default, success identity as well wouldn't be subjected to randomness. As we proceed, we're going to see the various components of personal identity. But first, it is important for you to understand the fact that when it comes to personal identity, it is important to have a unique personal identity. You should be able to have an identity you would like to be associated with. It is important to have an identity in relation to what you desired. That is, how you would want to be represented. Perhaps if one should search about your name, one should be able to you should be able to have an imaginary outlook of what your identity should be like. And how you're going to form that is what we're going to be covering in the course of this short course, and how you can utilize the various components of identity in order to build a desired, value-oriented personal identity.